Hello, barbecue enthusiasts, pitmasters, and flavor connoisseurs. Today we're turning up the heat, fanning the embers, and diving headfirst into the fascinating world of barbecue. This is not just any ordinary culinary tradition. Barbecue is a transcendent ritual that brings communities together worldwide. Its magic lies in the tantalizing, slow-cooked symphony of meats and vegetables over an open flame, seducing your senses with mouth-watering aromas and unrivaled flavors. Barbecue, in its essence, is a tribute to our primal past, tracing back to our ancestors' discovery of fire. Imagine the first caveman who decided to roast his game over an open fire and how that simple act would revolutionize the way we eat. From those early sparks emerged an intricate tapestry of barbecue techniques that evolved over millennia, each culture adding their unique thread, creating a global patchwork of flavors. The Greek Slovakia, Mori hangi, and Caribbean barbacoa bear testament to this rich tapestry. Spices like paprika, cumin, and black pepper have woven their way into this grand mosaic, enhancing the complexity and depth of traditional barbecue dishes. The beauty of barbecue lies not only in its diversity, but also in its regional variations. Consider the tantalizing taste tour of American barbecue. Texas-style barbecue, with its slow smoked beef brisket, embodies a harmony of flavors and textures that can almost feel like a religious experience. Meanwhile, Carolina-style barbecue adds its unique signature with vinegar-based pulled pork. The Kansas City-style barbecue stands out with its variety of meats and unique sweet and tangy sauce, while Memphis, Tennessee offers tender, slow-smoked pork ribs and pulled pork, either served dry or wet. But American barbecue is not just food, it's a thrilling competition, a showcase of culinary prowess. The American Royal World Series of Barbecue in Kansas City and Memphis are battlegrounds where the best pitmasters, why can I say this correctly? Are battlegrounds where the best pitmasters vie for the coveted BBQ champion title. Imagine adding pitmaster barbecue champion to your resume. Wouldn't that be something? I'd hire you. But our exploration doesn't end at American shores. The world of barbecue stretches far beyond, blazing its flavorful trail across continents. South America offers the churrasco and asado, a communal feast of various meats cooked over an open flame. Korean barbecue provides a unique, interactive dining experience where patrons partake in grilling thinly sliced meats right at the table. Australians cherish their barbecues, often grilling succulent meats and seafood. In South Africa, a barbecue, or braai, transcends being a mere meal. It's a communal event, a social gathering infused with a sense of togetherness. Our understanding of barbecue isn't limited to our backyard. We can journey across the globe, tasting new dishes and immersing ourselves in different cultures, all united by the universal love for barbecue. Now let's shift gears and delve deeper into the technical side of barbecue. This culinary art form relies heavily on two principal methods, grilling and smoking. Grilling is about the thrill of the sear, the technique of cooking meat swiftly over high heat, usually directly over the flame or coals. It's perfect for searing the outside of the meat while keeping it tender and juicy on the inside. On the other hand, smoking is a slower process, where indirect heat and smoke from wood or charcoal cook the meat. This low and slow method imparts a deep, smoky flavor that makes the meat incredibly tender and rich. Now, while your meat is important, so too are your grill and the fuel. The flavor of your barbecue can greatly be influenced by your choice of fuel: wood, charcoal, or gas. Wood, especially hardwoods like hickory, oak, and mesquite, imparts a distinct smoky flavor. Charcoal provides a consistent heat source and subtle smoky taste, while gas, though not adding any smoky flavor, offers quick and precise temperature control. Marinating, brining, or applying a dry rub to the meat before cooking are key techniques in achieving tender and flavorful meat in barbecue. Slow cooking over low heat helps break down connective tissue, making the meat tender, while resting the meat after cooking allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a moist and flavorful result. No discussion about barbecue can be complete without the iconic sauces and side dishes that accompany the Smoky Symphony of grilled meats. The range of barbecue sauces and rubs mirrors the diversity of barbecue itself, with each regional preference adding its unique signature. The tangy vinegar-based mop sauce of the Carolinas, the thick, sweet, and smoky Kansas City-style sauce, and the savory and spicy sauce of Texas-style barbecue. And wait, let's not forget Memphis's famous dry rub. These all contribute to the rich flavor profiles of American barbecue. Creating your own signature sauce or rub is a fantastic way to personalize your barbecue. Don't be afraid to experiment. Remember, the key to a great sauce or rub is finding the perfect harmony of flavors that enhances rather than overpowers your meat. A complete barbecue experience would be remiss without the inclusion of side dishes. From the classics like coleslaw, potato salad, cornbread, and baked beans in the US, chimichurri sauce, rice, and grilled veggies in South America, to banchan, or small side dishes like kimchi, pickled radishes, and seasoned veggies in Korea, side dishes play a crucial role in balancing the rich, smoky flavors of the barbecue. Our exploration of the world of barbecue may have ignited a newfound passion or sparked your curiosity to discover more. Embrace the diverse styles and techniques of barbecue, and don't be afraid to incorporate global flavors into your next cookout. And before you fire up that grill, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on Tastemade's YouTube channel for more incredible food adventures and culinary inspiration. Together, let's continue to explore, learn, and taste our way through the amazing world of food. Now get out there, explore the smoky, savory flavors waiting for you, and make your own delicious mark in the world of barbecue. Happy grilling!